Hey friends, this is Wayne over at the Ram Man Inc. Don't forget the ink. Hey, I want to show you what not to do with your master cylinder when you get it back from the Ram Man after you've spent, I don't know, $200, $300, $400 on it and got it all remachined and brass sleeves installed. Or maybe you've got a 9171 that's going on a convertible 6-pack car and you spent $1,000 on it, or a Hemi master cylinder, or you're gonna bolt on a new valve. I'm gonna tell you right now that your brake fluid's bad and it's ruined. Now we're getting ready to do this master cylinder, and as you can see, we've got dirt, mud, oil. About the only thing that's not missing is a rat's nest. So, if you gonna bolt up one of these master cylinders after you get it back and then call me a few days later because it's weeping out of the back because some of that debris got in between that wiper, in between that little wiper seal. I don't know if you can tell, but this is a hydraulic component and it doesn't take much grit. Well, it only takes one. To make that thing leak. This is sand, dirt, and debris. Feels like sandpaper. So, how's that shit get in there? I don't think anybody's ever figured that out. But it doesn't matter. It happened. So, you need to flush out your brake fluid. Use denatured alcohol. You can get that stuff at Home Depot. Remember now, you cannot introduce any petroleum-based product into the brake system because of the seals and the top of the rubber. And you may use .5 at your own discretion. You won't get any warranty from me. Not gonna happen. There's been so many problems with .5, it is unbelievable. Fill up that master cylinder and open up your bleeder ports, and you can let that stuff run out over a couple days and that'll flush a whole lot of it out. Then you can take your air hoses, your little compressor, and you can blow out your brake lines front to back or whatever and clean those things out. Flush that thing out a couple times and you'll probably be good to go. If not, you're going to bolt this on. By definition, this is a pump. You're going to bolt this on, fill it up with clean brake fluid, and you're going to work your brakes a few times or a few weeks or a few months, and all of a sudden it's going to be black and muddy and stuff, and you wonder why. Well, I'll tell you why. Now you're not dumb. Now you know why. Blowing clean brake fluid out mixes up with all the shit, and then it comes back into the master cylinder, and all these things are happening under pressure. Think about it. You're sending it out, back pressure's moving it back. It does a really good job of mixing up. Hell, it works like one of them bar blenders. God bless you. God bless America. And don't be dumb.